Today we're going to replace the belt on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. Firstly, remove the cover by unscrewing the 4 bolts and washers using a 10mm socket and ratchet. You now have access to the belt. Slowly ease the belt from the clutch and pulley using a 13mm socket and a large flat screwdriver. Get your new belt and place it around the pulley. Using the ratchet, feed this back onto the clutch. Place the cover back on and secure with the washers and bolts. That's how you replace the belt on a Belle PCLX 320 plate compactor. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.